In this video, we are looking at the examples in the 18-1 slides. The first problem asks us to find the unknown side in this figure below if triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. We start by noting that we have similar, these are right angles, and similar related sides B and 5, AC and DF, and 8 and 10 for AB and DE. What we can do is set up an equation where we say B is to 8 as 5 is to 10. Then cross multiply 10B is equal to 8 times 5, which is 40. So we've got 10B equals 40. Divide both sides by 10 and B equals 4. An arborist must know the height of a tree to determine which way to fell it. A 6-foot pole casts a 4-foot shadow when the tree casts a 20-foot shadow. What is the height of the tree? To do this, we will draw a picture. Here is our pole, which is 6 feet. And here is its shadow, which is 4 feet. At the same time, we've got our tree. Very cool tree. And the tree casts a shadow, and the top of the tree with the shadow makes a similar triangle to the pole with its shadow. Well, then we've got side x over 20 is equal to 6 over 4. Notably, we could do this like this instead. X over 6 equals 4 over 20. It's actually 6x equals 4 times 20, but we're not going to worry about that. 4x equals 4x equals 6 times 20, which we're going to get when we cross multiply here anyway. Divide both sides by 4. Leads us to x equals 30 feet. Our last question. A building lies between points A and B, so the distance between those points cannot be measured by a surveyor. Find the distance between these points using the similar triangles below. So here we have similar triangles. We'll call this E. ABE and CDE. It doesn't matter what angle this is. We're going to assume it's a right triangle, but it doesn't matter as long as we know that this angle and this angle are the same, and this angle and this angle are the same. What we know is that we've got 42 is to 16 as x, the length A plus the length from A to B, is to 8 plus 16, which is 24. And again, we cross multiply. 14 times 24, 42 times 24 equals 16x. I don't know 42 times 24 off the top of my head, but that's easy enough to calculate with a calculator. That gives us 1008 equals 16x. So if we divide both sides by 16, we get 63 equals x. So x is 63 meters. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, please get in touch.